Igbo king in Ghana. Our chiefs lied to us.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm happy to be here. The new updates about the Igbo king Manste and Ningo chief left Ghanaians speechless as Igbo king brought out proof that shocks and left Ghanaians without a word. In this video, you will get to see everything for yourself. So in order to have a better understanding, let's get right into it. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. Guys, I'll be right back.
Igbo king in Ghana. Our chiefs lied to us. Part 2. So, aside the fact that they really bought the land and the the Ningo chief came to tell us that it's a lie, which is actually true. Aside that, the Gamanche came out to tell us that he does not know this man anywhere. Is that not the Gamanche and this said man? Secondly, this picture up here was when this said king was being initiated. I mean, the rituals. I'm stitching two pictures here. The ritual process. Anybody who has been to the Gamanche residence before, you would know that this is, anybody who has been to the Ghana Traditional Council before, you will know this. I mean, the Ghans who frequent the place, you will know this place. The next document I'm stitching is actually a letter, and it reads, look at the top, I'm reading from the top, and then there's a coat of arm in the middle. Ministry of Chieftaincy and Culture, Ghana Traditional Council, PO Box 42, Accra, October 31st, 2013. Okay. And then when we go down, you hear, you see Mr. Geoffrey N. Nokuwogu, whatever, can't mention their names. Then we'll go down to the heading of the letter, which reads, Recognition of Eze Chukudi Jude Ihenetu. On behalf of the Ghana Traditional Council, I wish to state that Eze Ohazume the first, Ezendi Igbo, is the only acknowledged Eze Igbo of Ghana. This is a letter from the Traditional Council. Okay. So the last document I'm going to stitch to this video is this very one right here. And it's actually a certificate of recognition. And it reads, this is it. And I'm stitching it up here as well. So it says Ghana Traditional Council Certificate of Recognition. This is to certify that Eze Chukudi Jude Ihenetu has been recognized as Eze Ohazurume Eze Ndi Igbo the first, Ghana, on the 9th day of October 2013. So why is the Gamanche now telling us that he does not know this man? He has no form of association with this man. The chiefs that we hold in high esteem, that we respect so much, are not being truthful to us. But Ghanaians, as we are, will take our actions. Merci beaucoup.
Guys, seriously, the ginger I was having earlier about this matter, just want to be sincere here. I'm not having it anymore, seriously, because when you are trying to fight for something, our leaders supposed to join us and do it. So we'll join our hands and do it together. But it seems like our leaders are thinking something different from what we are thinking. What do you think, guys? Well, about this issue, I don't want to put my mouth again, seriously, because this is what, the problem of Africa. Like, when something is happening, people cannot come together and think and fight for one thing. You will see this group talking about different thing, the other group talking about different thing. We cannot come together. I don't know, and that's just the problem that is bringing Africa down. But then we still have a lot of videos I want us to check out, okay? Especially the video where the Manche was send the letter, right? And people were reading out the letter to us, because for sure we are the ones reacting to all these kind of videos like this, letting people know that yes, everything is going well. This person is at fault, that person is not at fault, or we just do our best and leave the rest for people to tell us their opinion. Yeah, so let's get into the video, guys. And please, this video, I want you to, I want to have a conversation with you in the comment section because I want to have a better understanding of this. It's getting annoying. Let's watch.
And they say, almost as waka, biom say, all the chiefs, sub chiefs, awabo, and a dance woman, darkuman, and a himfa, and a tamale, and a himfa, and a kaswa. Now we see sub chiefs or hormone, say paramount, so the divisional chiefs who near Diano. Hey, Omujai, some position near body in the crowd, we from so. Omuyi from so, you from website, omuyi from so. Omuyi from so. Omu recognize you more gas states in Omuyi from so. They toss you, and they say, so why not they say, be a cultural festival, wavy, and I say be a traditional wavy or Ghana, and Omuyam festival, and way near there. Say pass or by our gas states. On to Nadim. On to Nadim. Or say, traditional and cultural festivities under the guise of importing Igbo culture presided over by Eze Dr. Chukwudi Jude Ehenetu in his capacity as king of the Igbos in the Ghana states should cease henceforth. It's your Moyan festival, no baby, yeah. Our young one, near Deno, no the king of Igbos, Dr. Ehenetu. Onchim. No person more sure general public ni na say omo gas no omo a peaceful we pompa asomdwe omo pe basa yo mo kame all tribes ye na nkra ha na ebe pia mo kame all tribes say wo fi hi ana say wo fi amanone na oba be mo kan omo kame obia omo bu obia so kama nemmom obi bia na sa directives so omo dey aba from point 1 ekopim point 6. So omo ti ase ejitu omu e omo emergency meeting omo kwaya as a traditional council no obi bia be na so obe disrespect ana say ono oba be kingdom to obe disrupt peace of the Ghana state no emrani ni obedi omo bu obi a na emum di mrani so omo si dedi kai Mr. Jude no onjai so friend ho king of Igbos die tosum yenu onjai se o sisi ahemfo nketwa ne ade no sa ahemfo nketwa ne ontwem die tosum yensa so wa fa she bia wa na bi so bebedi as king of Igbo ewo enkran ha se ya onto na adwum ntina me bisa se no ka council no ho because council no crofo no ede no kosi so but somebody omo hu we bia de oye no sa babeda abonten no and Abia, in the wisdom of King Taki Techu Gamanche, we're having this emergency meeting based on senior man for Kim or social media. So I do Munsia no Quino. Until we have emergency meeting. After assassin one. Now was a Ghana traditional council so Ebabe Kasa. It's your letter on the on the 9th of July 2025 to all media houses. Press release by the Ghana Traditional Council. What's it? Or my observing say never be happy with social media and so on. Just say what Ghana states anymore. About Igbo King be and the as a Dr. Chukwudi Jude Ehenetu. So be type with D in capital letters. No, so you the board and then say Otiem Dr. Eze Chuk. That is Otiem no. Sound up as such. Our friend home. Well, according to king of Igbos, our Ghana has a paragraph 1 and no paragraph 2. No, I must say, emergency meeting. Our Ghana Traditional Council, no, and 9th of July 2025. They say, Nippon Tinemu emergency meeting, as president, no, King Taki Telko True the second. Oh, yeah, Gamanche. And after all the members of the Ghana Traditional Council, no more hobby. More but to the conclusion said number 1. Ghana Traditional Council, no, irrespective of the CA in the year 2012, no. Now is disassociate every activity bia as a Dr. Chukwudi Jude Ehenetu ye bia say na 2018 TV no see o start village and 2 million people and 7,000 people and 200,000 people and 2 disassociate film. Dia to subium. No mo se mo council no. Omo recognize you obia. So you're king of Igbos. Our gas states no. Because I won't hear my points about trainer. Answer no make me recognize you obi. So you're king of Inipesimacy and as a king of Inipesimacy no. I was saying Nipa no ni dey copy mu or National Register of Chiefs no emu. And son or Muga Traditional Council no the wash. Let me recognize you obia as king of Igbos bia. I'm recognize no as king of Igbos. Point number 4. On person mo ka kire Eze Dr. Chukwu the Jude ehene to say na the din etie no. Say fiti ene ekoi. Hey, emaninka da. So you're king of Igbos. Ewo say ojina class aseso, en class aseso. Emaninka bi da.
This Igbo king issue is even making me understand tree. If you notice, lately I've been reacting to videos that are tree. That's because I know for sure I have an idea of what is happening. And I'm very much interested in this very issue because it involves Nigeria. And, you know, anything that involves Nigeria also involves me because I'm a Nigerian living in Ghana. So if Nigerians are doing bad in Ghana and Ghanaians want to react, they will not just react to that very Nigeria, but they will react to every Nigerian in Ghana, just like this Nigeria must go thing. It's going to affect me also if all Nigerians are leaving because I am a Nigerian. I'm not a citizen of Ghana. So, guys, the way I'm seeing things, I don't think anybody can do anything about this. I know a lot of you will come for me in the comment section. But when somebody have an upper hand, look at the first video we watched. Look at all the certificate he has. He has proof that the titleship has been given to him. You understand? So does that mean they do not assess who really he is, or they do not really know his agenda before giving him the title or something? This is our problem. We will stay with somebody for just few months and we will trust the person like that. Ghanaians are like that. Yeah, you don't really know somebody, but you welcome the person. You can even accommodate the person in your house. You guys are like that. It's high time for you to start observing who that person is before accommodating him. If not, one day that person you accommodate will be the one to pie you. I hope you understand what the word pie means, right? Kill. The person will just unalive you. So you guys you should open your eye. You see, now it's Nigerians that are doing all of this, but beware of people from other countries also. Yeah, because the heart of a man is wicked though. But then the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.